Chris Marks here, Three Little Pigs, Rubs and Sauces. Today with the tutorial, the other white meat, smoked pork loin. Our first step in the preparing of the pork loin is to cut it into 3 manageable pieces. This is going to make it much easier to cook and much quicker. What we're going to want to do is trim as much of the unneeded fat and silver skin off there as possible. Why do we do this? This gives us the ability to get a much better smoke flavor, deeper smoke into it, whether we're using a charcoal or a pellet cooker. Sometimes this can be a little difficult, so I resort to using my hands to pull the loose silver skin off. But the important part of this is to get that deep, thick silver skin off there, because that's what's going to get off there to give us the ability to get that nice deep smoke flavor into it. So I'm going to gently pry my knife up under that hard silver skin and cut through. Then I'm going to take my knife and push up against the silver skin to gently remove the muscle without pulling that silver skin. If you pull that silver skin, you're going to have a tendency to really rip that muscle off. The thing to understand about this guy is pork loins are great to be sliced, or what we can do to them is cut them into 1-inch pieces, take them on to the grill, and actually grill them up like a pork chop. The last thing we want to do with this guy is try to treat it like a pork butt. We've got a single muscle cut here, and we don't have a lot of fat and connective tissues to play with like we do in a pork butt. We're going to want to basically cook this guy for about 2 hours, or we're looking for that about 155 degrees internal into that guy, because that 155 is going to give us a nice juicy cut. USDA recommends 145, but if you don't like any red, you're going to run it to about 150 to 155. Our next steps are going to be able to apply the rubs. The rubs are a very important part of this. I like to start with a binder of grapeseed oil. I use that grapeseed oil. It gives me a great bind, not a lot of flavor to it, but again, it gives that rub a little longer to really help build up that great crust that we're looking to get, whether we're using a smoker, a grill, or even into the oven. We're going to use the Three Little Pigs all-purpose for this one. I can use the Kansas City Sweet or the Touch of Cherry. All of them work great. But I'm going to want a nice coat of rub on here because, again, I'm looking for more of a flavor because that pork has a tendency to be bland. So when we talk about these full straps, very simple to do. Again, look for more blogs. This is Chris Marks, Three Little Pigs, Rubs and Sauces.